Well, I don't look so well. Oh, my face is monochromatically lit by the color blue, approximately 450 nanometers with a rather large spike. Behind me is not a monochromatic color, because it's not possible. Behind me is magenta, which is an even balance of two monochromatic colors. The universe has a personality, and the personality of the universe is the space between the spaces. Now, what does that mean? That basically means that there is only one octave in this universe, and the expression between is what translates to the universe's personality. With a little more breakdown, what I am trying to say is that the fundamental length of the universe is the baseline. Double that length is the same. Double it again, and it's the same. It's the same personality, which is the baseline of the universe, which in fact is the color purple, as explained in another film. However, the ratio, in addition to a unit of length being the baseline of the universe, is what gives rise to specific units of frequency and emotion. For example, the triangle, the ratio of the triangle, is one base length unit plus 0.33333 on one of the points, the second being 1 plus 0.6666. And with 1.3333, 1.6666, you have the perfect coordinates for an equilateral triangle, which is also harmonic with a system of 60 degrees. Now, there are many other ratios, all starting with the simplest being the triangle, the triangle, of course. What am I saying? The triangle, then the square, then the pentagon. In other words, the pattern of progression is the polygon starting with the minimum of a three-sided polygon and simply counting up to infinity, which all leading back to the one. Mapped out in 2 dimensions, it looks like the circumference of a circle. The outside of the circumference of the circle is 1 unit in length, or 1 troop length calculated using h, not h bar, plus the ratio 0.3333 or 0.6666 if it's a triangle, is the coordinates for such systems. The octave above is 2, etc., etc., etc. However, you only need to know about the 1, because it doesn't matter how many times it is doubled or halved, the laws are the same. Not to mention, it's the same as mapping out a color. The base color of this universe is 401.2 nanometers, roughly, calculated using the equation square root h times g over c to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 93 is 401.2 nanometers plus 0.3333 brings to about 534 nanometers. So the first side of the triangle is roughly green, plus 0.6666 brings to a red color, which I have forgotten, but you can simply do it by doing the basic equations. This illustration is a very basic example on how to actually ascertain different units of force by calculating the space-time ratios.